there are two kind of shapes. Okay, there are some rhombus and there are some rectangles. Okay, first of all, in first atoms you are going to pick. Okay, you are going to pick an object from that. Okay, a particular object from that box. Okay, just keep it with yourself. Okay, keep it with yourself without replacement. You are going to pick another object from that box. Okay, without replacement. That means when you are taking first, totally there are 9 objects. Okay, you got one. No, you picked one object from that and keep it with yourself. Now you are going to pick in your second attempt. In your second attempt, you already got one. So only there are 8 remaining objects inside that box. That's your conclusion in this question. Okay, let's write that one. In that there are some rhombus and okay, there are some rhombus and rectangles. Rhombus and let's name it as squares. Okay, rhombus and squares. In our first attempt, okay, in our first attempt, I am going to pick an object. Okay, an object. So totally there are 9 objects. Out of that 9, there are 5 rhombus shapes. There are 5 rhombus shapes. Okay, accordingly I am going to complete this branch. Okay, in 9 there are 5 rhombus. Remaining would be in 9 there are 4 square shapes. Okay, that's the way you should complete your first branch. In second attempt, okay, in your second attempt, just think you already had, okay, you already have 9 objects, 4 squares and 4 rhombus. Okay, sorry, 5 rhombus, 4 squares and 5 rhombus. First of all, we have here 4 squares, okay, 4 squares and 5 rhombus. 5 rhombus. In that, you already picked one rhombus. Okay, here we are talking about without replacement. No, you already picked one rhombus. So now the count of rhombus inside that box would be 4. Okay, you already picked one without replacement. You are going to pick another one. No? So now one rhombus, we have to reduce that from the total count. So now there are totally 8 objects. Okay, there are totally 8 objects inside that box. Amongst that 8, out of 8, there are 4 rhombus. There are 4 rhombus. This is the way you should complete this branch. Okay. Here you in your first attempt you have selected a red color rhombus. Okay. You have your rhombus with you. So there are 8 remaining objects inside that box. Then how many squares in 8? Okay, in 8 you have selected your rhombus now. So there is no any change in square count. The total squares will remain same as it is. So from 8 there are 4 squares remaining. 4 squares remaining. This is the way you should complete your this branch. You have selected your rhombus first. Okay, you have selected your rhombus first. These are the remaining values. By using the remaining values, I have completed this branch. Similarly, I have to complete my next branch also. Okay, in here, in his first attempt, he was selected a star shape. So there are totally first 4 stars and 5 numbers. He was selected one star. No, so one number, okay, one count reduced from stars. One count reduced from stars. So now we have totally 8 objects. In 8, we have 5 numbers. Don't misconclude this thing with this thing, okay? These are different events. In here, he was selected red first. That's why I reduced one number from the rhombus. Yeah, he was selected the star, no? So don't complicate this with this. So here he was selected the star first. So I have reduced one number from star. So from 8, okay, we have total 8 shapes. In that 3 rhombus. Sorry, 5 rhombus, sorry. In 8, we have 3 squares. We have 3 squares. That's the way I have to complete the tree diagram with replacement. Okay, sorry. Earlier we studied about with replacement. Here without replacement. That means uh, the count will reduce. Okay, the total objects count will reduce. Accordingly, you should think and complete the tree diagram like this. in both atoms rhombus. So this is the event. Okay, this is the thing you should concern about. So when you multiply these two, 5 fours are 20. Okay, 5 fours are 20 divided by 9 eights are 72. When you simplify this by number 4, that will give you 5 upon 18. Okay, divided by, simplified by using number 4. 5 fours are 20, 18 fours are 72. So that would be the probability for our first question. Okay, 5 upon 18. Let's see the answer for our second instance. In that, scar. Okay, in both atoms scar. So that means this probability. Okay, let's multiply 4 threes are 12 and 8 nines are 72. When you simplify this further by using number 4, 3 upon 18. That's the probability belongs to this. Same shapes. Okay, in both atoms you are taking same shapes. That means it can be rhombus or else it can be square. So you should add these two probabilities together. So when you add up these two probabilities together, that will give you 8 upon 18. Okay, 8 upon 18. Rhombus rhombus or square square. 8 upon 18. It's possible to simplify further, no? So we can simplify this one further. So finally, our answer would be 4 upon 9. Okay, 4 upon 9. I can simplify both the numerator and denominator by using number 2. That will give you 4 upon 9. At least one square. Okay, so that means this event. Okay, this event. So multiplication, that would be 5 fours are 20 upon 9 eights are 72 plus at least one square. No? So this one also possible. 5 fours are 20 again upon 72. Here we have two. Okay, we have two squares. At least one square. So two squares are also possible. No? So when you multiply that, 12 upon 72, you should add all these values. That will give you 52 upon 72. When you simplify this further by using number 4, that will give you over 18. We have 13. 13. 13 upon 18. That would be the answer for at least one square. Only one rhombus means here there are two rhombus. We don't need that one. Yeah, there is a rhombus. So when you multiply that, 20 upon 5 fours are 20 upon 72 plus, here also there is a rhombus. So in this event, okay, you cannot select this one only. Okay, this is not an event. Okay, this is an event, again an event, one event, there is another event. You should think about all the branches. Then here square and rhombus. So that would be also 20 upon 72. When you add up them, that's 40 upon 72 after simplification. By using number 8, 5 upon 9. The simplest fraction would be 5 upon 9 in this case. That's all for your grade 11 lessons.